In today's video, we are going to be tackling some much needed cleaning in lots of different rooms in our home, as well as a home project that I saw on TikTok and I absolutely had to try. Let's do this. We are going to be starting in my beauty room today. I turned the fan off the other day and looked up and I was like, are you serious? That's gross. So we are going to be dusting this and then vacuuming all the dust that falls all over the floor and just vacuuming the whole room. While I'm doing this, I want to say welcome back if you are returning. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're new, welcome to our channel. My name is Lene and this is landdhome, myself and my husband, David. We are so glad to have you watching our video today, and we hope you enjoy what we have for you.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Now you might be thinking, why did you make the bed if you were going to take it all apart so that you could clean all of the sheets? Well, I didn't realize I was going to do this, but they needed to be done, so I decided to go ahead and do it. And I'm going to be doing some general cleaning while I'm in here today. And I do want to say, if you see me moving kind of slow in these videos and I look like I'm in pain, well, I am. I decided to go back to the gym recently, and I have done one session, and I absolutely loved it, except for the fact that it killed my leg. So I am actually hobbling around with very painful thighs, but you know what? The house needed to be cleaned. It just needed to happen. So if you see me limping around, I'm fine. I'm just waiting on that muscle pain to wear off. I am popping the whites in the washer first, and you are going to see a fiasco with this washer and dryer. Well, the dryer actually later in the video. So stay tuned for the end so you can see the fiasco that came a brewing during this process. But we're going to jump back into the bedroom. I'm going to be vacuuming off our mattress. And like I said, just doing some general cleaning here in the master bedroom because, well, it has been a while.
Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
It really bothers me when the bed looks disheveled. So yes, I'm putting the pillows back on there with no sheets or anything. I know. I'm strange, but here we are. I am now dusting, and this room is so dusty. I hate dusting. It's one of my least favorite chores to do. Everything was covered in a wonderful layer of dust, and we just had to get this taken care of. Let me know down in the comments below, what is your least favorite household chore to do? Dusting is definitely high on my list. What's yours?
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
We are popping into the kitchen real quick, but we're going back to the bedroom. I actually need to steam clean in there. One of our dogs had an accident during the storm the other night. We've been having some insane storms here in Missouri. It's been absolutely crazy. I know lots of friends and family that have been flooded, and I just hope that they're doing okay. And I hope that this rain stops so they can stop being flooded. The weather is crazy here. So if you're watching and you have been flooded, my heart goes out to you. I am so sorry this is happening to you, and Mother Nature is having such an attitude. But I just got those dishes cleaned up so that I could fill up the steam cleaner, which I will talk about in a minute. And right now I am making my homemade Febreze. I will link a video down below where I explain the whole process and the measurements and everything, but I absolutely love this. And I am still on this one bottle of fabric softener that I started this process with when I originally saw this TikTok. So I highly recommend this hack. I will have the video linked down below where I go through all of the steps.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying?
If you are not new here, this steam cleaner might look different. And you might remember I did a video where I said our steam cleaner broke. It did. It broke. I loved it. It was the Hoover Power Dash, but it pooped out on us. So we actually ended up getting this one, which actually I like a lot better because it does a bigger area and it's much more powerful. So I will have this link down in the description box below if you're interested. I got it on sale at Target. I'm sure it's not on sale anymore, but if you hunt around, you could probably find a good deal. We absolutely love this, and I love it even more than the Hoover Power Dash that I was always bragging about. And fingers crossed so far, it has not pooped out on us just yet.
I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
I wanted to hit the room with some homemade Febreze before I jumped into the bathroom. Now, I'm not doing a deep clean in the bathroom, but I am going to be filling up the tub with different cleaning products just to let our little caddy soak and the tub soak a little bit. I did not feel like scrubbing. I really didn't. So I was like, let me just pop this in here. I'm just going to let it soak while I clean some other areas, move on to some other things. And then I'm just going to come back and rinse everything off and then put everything back in the freshly cleaned shower caddy. I actually really hate our shower caddy. I'm looking for one that connects to the wall. I found one on Amazon, and if you guys have bought one from Amazon, please let me know. The ones that suction cup to the wall, if they are any good, because this thing drives me absolutely nuts. Also, I will link a Jaws cleaning video down below. I am just using up this Jaws bathroom cleaner. I don't really love it all that much. I will link a video down below where I tested some Jaws products, but I did add that in just because I'm trying to use up the pods that I have so I can just go back to my regular bathroom cleaner.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Now, now, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Now, now.
Speaking of Jaws cleaner, the Jaws kitchen cleaner, love it. 2 thumbs up. Love the smell, cuts the grease. It is absolutely amazing. So if you're going to buy a Jaws cleaner, this and the multi-surface cleaner, or multi-purpose, maybe it's called, are the 2 that I would recommend. So there are some good Jaws cleaners. I just don't like the foaming bathroom one. I don't know what it is, but we are just getting some things cleaned up in the kitchen. Things were getting a little grimy and gross, so I'm just wiping some things down and giving the kitchen a little bit of a refresh.
Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind?
If you know, you know. You knew I wasn't going to clean the stovetop because I love my stove cover. It is so gross under there, but you just put that stove cover over top and no one ever knows the difference. I just didn't have time for that today. I can't be the only one. I also can't be the only one that has disgusting soap dispensers. You're going to see coming up. So let me know in the comments down below if your soap dispensers are gross, and you always forget to clean them out if you have the pump kind where your sponge and your scrub brush go into. Please tell me I am not alone. You're going to see that basket of fruit, and this is actually something that I started doing so that we ate more fruit in the house instead of putting it in the fridge. I'm trying to put a bowl of fruit out so that people eat it more often. I don't know if it's working, but I'm trying. This is actually for my coffee maker. The little excess drips in there. It looks really gross. I just rinse it out and then put it back. It's just so it doesn't drip all over my coffee bar station. Let me know too if you guys have the iced coffee maker, the Mr. Coffee one. I think it's Mr. Coffee. I don't know. Let me know if you have that. I'm in the middle. I really love it, but I don't know if it's going to work for me long term because it doesn't make as much as I like to drink. But here's where you're going to see me cleaning my sink. I like to cut up sponges and just keep them on hand. I just get them from Dollar Tree, chop them in half so I can just clean them and then toss them or save them for a different cleaning, and I'm not wasting a whole sponge. But you're going to see coming up my gross soap containers. Please don't judge me too harshly in the comments, or do if you feel like it. That's fine too. Freedom of speech, your choice. But I can't be the only one that forgets to clean them out. I just can't be.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you.
One thing that I like to do every once in a while is take my sponge wet and pop it in the microwave for about a minute. It just sanitizes it a little bit. Even if it's stained, it will be more sanitary. We are moving on to the living room now. We're just going to be straightening some things up, tossing all this laundry right down to the bottom of the stairs because, like I said, my legs hurt. I am not cleaning the slipcover. Yes, I found yogurt. You're going to see also I found a full cup of water that my son swore he was going to drink, but he did not drink. So I am just straightening some things up. I'm not going to be washing the slipcover, but I am just going to be kind of shaking it out, spraying some homemade Febreze on it, and just kind of making the living room look a little more inviting because right now it's a little cluttered and things are just everywhere. We got laptops sitting around, we got covers sitting around, all kinds of things. So we're just going to freshen things up a little bit.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space?
You might be able to see Bella Marie hanging out in the corner here. If you guys have pets of your own, put a dog or a cat emoji down in the comments so I know that you guys are pet owners and animal lovers too. She is always following me around. She is my shadow and I just love her so much.
You're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
I love this blanket ladder. We actually DIY'd it from a ladder I found for $1 at a garage sale. And no, it's not attached to the wall, so it does move around, but it hasn't fallen over yet. I really wanted to try this. I know a lot of YouTubers talk about this, and I actually got this on sale on Prime Days. Now, I would not pay full price for this spray because that's just not in my budget, but I did get it on sale during Prime Days, and it does smell really, really good. I don't know how well it actually cleans. I kind of prefer the Jaws Multipurpose cleaner or my favorite Walmart cleaner, but maybe I just didn't spray enough, but I was afraid to spray too much because it is so expensive. But I have to tell you, the YouTubers that say this smells really good are not lying. It smells so good. We are popping into the bathroom for that home update that I told you guys about in the intro. So I'm taking this shower curtain down. It's actually messed up anyway, but I got it from a thrift store or something. I got a new pack of hooks from Target. I will have them linked down below. I absolutely love them. And we are going to be doing a double shower curtain. Now, I saw this on TikTok and I thought, oh my God, it looks so full and beautiful, so cute. I actually got these shower curtains on sale from Bed Bath & Beyond. I guess Wild Sage is their like summer brand, and they were clearancing out a lot of that stuff. So I got these almost for like nothing. They were a few bucks for each panel. And I love the way this turned out. My husband was like, is there two? Why is there two? And I said, because it looks nice. It's nice and full. Now I do have to get another clear shower curtain for this other side. I did not think that through, but I will be updating that later. But I absolutely love the way this looks.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
I was planning on finishing off my evening with a ton of laundry because I have so much laundry to do. It is absolutely everywhere. There's stuff in the washer. And then I went to take the stuff out of the dryer and I found a little surprise. All of the clothes were stuck on this weird felt piece hanging off. And I didn't know what to do with it. My husband was at work. I got stressed out and I decided, you know what? That's the end of my cleaning day. So I decided I was going to put my house to sleep and I was going to light some candles with my cool new device that I'm going to show you. And I was just going to call it a day. So I finally got one of these candle lighters everyone's talking about. This is the cheaper version. It was like $6 on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's probably not as nice as the ones as some of the YouTubers use, but it fit my budget and it's so cute and I absolutely love it. My husband did ask me the next day why I had a taser. I was like, it's not a taser, it's a candle lighter. But I absolutely love it. It will be linked down below. So while I am lighting these candles and I am just giving up for the day, I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and entertaining. As always, check out the video and the playlist on the screen and smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I just can't stop thinking about you.